Number 7. MSR Whisperlite Universal. The MSR Whisperlite Universal is a hybrid fuel stove that performs well, even in harsh cold climates. This stove can be fueled with isobutane and propane canisters or liquid fuels, including white gas, kerosene, and even unleaded gasoline. The stove weighs a durable 11.5 ounces. It comes with a fuel pump, windscreen, heat reflector, and a small parts kit. The reusable MSR fuel bottle is not included. If there is a downside, it's the high cost compared to other options. With over 300 reviews and 4.7 stars, the MSR Whisperlite Universal is the 7th highest rated backpacking stove on Amazon. See our full video for the 10 best backpacking stoves? Check the latest prices at backpackerstove.com and stay adventurous.